Hey everybody, and welcome back. If you are new, thank you guys for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed yet, this is your first time watching, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you click on the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. And today for our T.O.T, it's not really going to be a T.O.T because the Try It Out Tuesdays are supposed to be trying it out, and the thing that I found from Pinterest, I went into the Dollar Tree and they did not have it, so unfortunately I just was walking around and I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? And I just picked up a couple of things, and now we are going to be doing some Country Chic themed centerpieces. Don't worry, they're still gonna be cute. So let's get started. Okay, so our materials that we are going to be using are these glass bottles. Now, I found these glass bottles in the Dollar Tree. Of course I found them in the Dollar Tree, but in the glassware section, they had these, and not the glassware that's by like the candles and stuff, but the glassware that has like the plates and like your mugs and all that stuff. These were over there, and they had like different colors, but I just wanted to do the clear ones because we are actually going to put paint inside of one of them, or maybe both, but I'm thinking just one. Then I got these terracotta clay pots, and you get 2 of them for $1. And then I got these frames. So I got 2 of these frames. This is what we're going to use to make our actual tray that we're going to put everything inside. The other things now that I'm going to show you, I did not get from the Dollar Tree, but you definitely can. Well, you can get the twine from the Dollar Tree because they have like a 3-pack of twine at the Dollar Tree that you can get. I got these flowers from Walmart, but you can also get these from the Dollar Tree. They're not going to be the same, but they did have the purple kind of like this, but I just like the way that these look more like realistic, so I got these instead from Walmart, and they were only 97 cents. And also we're going to be using that same just the bottom saucer. I got this from AC Moore, but you can totally pick these out from any of your local craft stores. I recently went into Michael's and I saw that they had these for like 79 cents. So did not get that from the Dollar Tree. I don't think that they sell the like clay plant bottoms, but they do sell the clear plant bottoms. So, and then you're going to need whatever paint of choice that you want to use. So we are going to be using this matte acrylic paint. I might mix it to make it a chalk paint, but I'm not really sure right now. I just think we're going to just stick with this. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so when you get to this part, you just want to make sure that you press your prongs all the way down so that when you flip the frame over, you won't be able to see them. The next thing you're going to do is you're just going to start to break apart the frame. When you get here, I'm just going to measure where I need to cut so that I can make sure my frame will be even. So after you've cut your frame, you're then going to have a straight line, not an angle, so that they will fit perfectly. Now, if you don't have a miter saw, you can always go to your local Dollar Tree, and they have hand saws and hacksaws to use. The next thing that we're going to do is just take our hammer and hammer out the staples that were on the back of the frame. Our bottle, and we are going to use the acrylic paint, drop some drops in there, swirl it around, and let it paint the inside. We're not going to paint the outside, we're going to do the inside, and we're going to let it dry. So, I've never done this before, so let's see how how this turns out. Okay, so I just want to say the paint was taking a very long time, so I just added a little bit of water and started to shake up the bottle. Now we're going to take our twine and wrap it around this bottle. Okay, so now we're going to take this candle holder and we are going to add some twine to it. This came from the Dollar Tree as well. I just had it in my house, so you can definitely pick one of these up. And I just felt like we needed something extra to add to our decor. Okay, so now we're going to take some sandpaper now that our frame has dried, and we're going to start to distress. We're going to start to construct our handles for the frame/tray. So I'm just cutting 3 pieces of twine, and then I'm going to tie it in a knot at the top and begin to braid. Okay, so now what we're going to do to make our handle just a little bit thicker, we are going to fold the braid, and then we are going to start to hot glue it together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip our new tray over, and we are going to add hot glue to the inside so that we can add our glass. Now, when you put the glass in, since we cut the frames, the glass is going to overlap just a little bit, but you won't even really be able to tell once you put all your decor on top. DIY for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We made cute country chic table decor, centerpieces, whatever you want to call them, whatever you want to do. Super excited that I went into the Dollar Tree for like a totally different DIY, and then like I went around, literally around, I think I was in the Dollar Tree for like an hour trying to figure out what to do for you guys for this Tuesday, and might I add, I think I did a great job. So if you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.